Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about the hash algorithm, or this is the basically secure hash algorithm or the message digest algorithm. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the hash function and the math. So, what is the hash function? Hash function basically is the taking the arbitrary size message and the produce the fixed size output, uh, processing message in the blocks using some compression functions and either custom or the block cipher based. And the message authentication code is the fixed size authenticator for some message to provide the authentication for message and the using block cipher mode or hash function. The basically is the max. So now we discuss about the message digest algorithm, or we can say that the MD algorithm. Basically, the concept of the message digest algorithm is similar to the hash function. The message digest algorithm is also called the fingerprint. Uh, the message digest is used to ensure the integrity of a message transmitted over an unsecure channel. The message is passed through a cryptographic hash function. This function creates a compressed image of the message called the digest. The message digest also called a one-way hash function because they produce value that are difficult to invert, resistant to attack, effectively unique and widely distributed. This algorithm developed by Ron Rivas, uh, and there is total six version available of the MD5, MD1, MD2, MD3, MD4, MD5, and the MD6. Basically, currently we have used the MD5 algorithm because there is some problem in the MD6, so we have used the MD5 algorithm. This is the simple working diagram of the message digest. Means how to work the message digest for sender and the receiver. This is taking the example. In the sender is the Alice and the receiver is the Bob. So in this, the message can and the digest pair is equivalent to a physical document and fingerprint of a person on that documents. The digest should be unchanged during the transmission. The cryptography hash function is one-way function, that is function which practically infeasible to invert. The cryptographic hash function takes a message variable length as input and creates digest hash fingerprint of fixed length, which is used to verify the integrity of the message. Message digest ensure that the integrity of the document to provide authenticity of the message, uh, and which encrypted with the sender's private key. Now this digest is also called digital signature, which can only decrypted by the receiver who had sender's public key. Now receiver can authenticate the sender and also verify the integrity of the sent message. So this is basically the message digest working. So now we discuss about the MD5 algorithm. MD5 algorithm is a message digest algorithm that was developed by Ron Rivest. MD5 is a improved and the latest version in all MD algorithm. MD5 was most popular and widely used hash function for quite some years. Uh, it was adopted as Internet Standard RFC 1321. It is a 128-bit hash function. MD5 digest have been widely used in the software world to provide assurance that integrity to transferred file. For example, the servers often provide a pre-computed MD5 checksum for the file so that a user can compare the checksum of download file to X. So this is basically the MD5 algorithm, and there is some steps how to create a message digest for a given message. Number one is the padding. Padding means a padding consists of a single one bit in the first column followed by enough zero to pad the message to the required length till the 512 bits. Or we can say that the The reason behind the padding is that we want to make the length of the original message equal to the value, that is 64 bits, less than the exact multiple of 512 bits. This 64 bit less value will use to the length padding. For example, suppose the original message length is 1200, then we add then we add then we add the padding of 272 bits of make message 1472 bits long. Why 1472 bits? Because if we add 64 bits to 1472 bits block, it will be 1536 bits. That is the exact multiple of 512 bits. Means 512 512 into 3 equals to 1536 bits. So we have used the padding. After padding, we use the second step, append the length field. In this, we calculate the length of the original message. This length is added at the last after the padding bits in the original message. So the final message will use to hashing to generate the message digest. Number three, the message or the final message divided into the 512 bit blocks. After this, in the number 5, initialize the chaining variable. Suppose we have using the 4 register A, B, C, D. This is the chaining register or chaining variable. It is also called the signal register. This is the 128-bit register. The value of each register is different, A, B, C, D. A value of A is the 0, 1, 23, 45 and 61. Register value B is the 89, AB, CB and DF. And the C is the EF, DC, BA 98. And the D is the 76, 54, 32 and the 10. These values are the hexadecimal values. After this, we have divide the 512 bits block into 16 subblocks of 32 bits. This is the basic function of the MD5 algorithm. MD5 algorithm use the 4 auxiliary functions F, G, H and I, and these are the and each takes the input 332 bits word and produce output 1 bit 32 bit words. The use of 4 register ABCD now combined with the words of the input using the 4 auxiliary function F, G, H and the I. Here there are the 4 rounds, each involves 16 basic operations to perform. This is the basic 1 round of MD5. The diagram show the auxiliary function F, that the 4 buffer register A, B, C, D using the message word M of I and the constant K. The symbol less than denotes a binary left shift n bits, and the output is the after we perform all round, the buffer register ABCD contains the MD5 digest of the original input. Mainly MD5 has 5 steps with 4 rounds to computations that compute the hash of the value and gave the buffer output. So basically this is the simple process of the MD5 algorithm. After this, we have discussed about the secure hash algorithm. The secure hash algorithm is also a one-way hash algorithm used to create a digital signature. SHA-1, SHA-2, SHA-3, this is the basic version of the secure hash algorithm, and the SHA-1 is the upgraded version that is derived from the SHA and developed in the 1993 and 94 in the NIST and NSA. SHA is similar to the MD5 algorithm by Ron Rivest. SHA is slightly slower than the MD5, but it is found to be more secure. So this is the simple hash algorithm, or there is a simple secure hash algorithm. Uh, the actual standard document is entitled Secure Hash Standards. SHA is based on the hash function MD4 and it designed closely models MD4. SHA-1 is produced a hash value of 160 bits. In 2005, a research team described an attack in which two separate messages could be found that deliver the same SHA-1 hash using 2 to power 69 operations for fewer than the 2 to power 80 operations. Previously thought needed a find a collision with SHA-1 hash. This result should hasten the transition to newer, longer version of the SHA. So this is basic secure hash algorithm. Uh, After this, we revised the secure hash algorithm. This is the SHA-256. This is called SHA-2, SHA-3. This is the SHA-384, and the SHA-5 is the SHA-512. Uh, this is there is the version of the SHA algorithm. So now we discuss about the SHA 512 or 512 overview. This is similar. This is working is similar to the MD5 algorithm. There is the follow the same step. One is the append length, padding bits, append length, initialize hash buffer, and the process the message, output the message. This is the simple. This is the same steps follow to the message digest. There is some difference between the message digest in the SHA. In that is the buffer register, where the total buffer register in the uh, MD5 total number of registers is the 4. Here in the 512 SHA 512 total number register is the 8. So this is the basic difference, and the processing speed of the 512 is uh, 512 is the very high in compared to MD5 algorithm. Sorry, this is the wrong. SHA is slower from the MD5 algorithm, but the MD5 algorithm is less secure, and the SHA algorithm is the more secure. The SHA compression function is the heart of the algorithm. In the previous step 4, it processed the message 1024 bit blocks using a module that consists of 80 rounds. Each round takes as input the 512 bit buffer value and uptakes the content of the buffer. Each round makes use a 64 bit value derived using a message scheduled from the current 1024 bit block being processed. Each round also make use an additive constant, this is the KT, based on the fractional part of the cube roots of the first 8 prime number. The output of 18th round is added to the input the first round to produce the final hash value for this message block, which forms the input to the next iteration of this compression function. Uh, uh, Ensure the next slide. This is the one round function. This is the round function, and this is the total function apply on the SHA 512. Total 8 register use the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and the different types of work. There in the structure 18 rounds, each 64 bit shuffled along one place, and in some cases manipulated using a series of simple logical functions and, note, or adjourn or rotate. In order to providing the avalanche and completeness properties of the hash function, the elements are, this is the basic element of the in the notes, there it show the basic function of the basic elements of the SHA1 or the one round SHA 512 round. There is just show the uh, additive constant and the word drive constant and the rotate function and the AND function. So this is basically uh, SHA 512 round. This is the one round, totally 80 round performed on the message. So finally, after this, the message is stored in the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H register. This is called the signal register. The size of this register is the 512 bits. So this is the basically MD5 algorithm and the secure hash algorithm. So now we compare the secure hash algorithm and the MD5. So there is some basic difference. And the MD5 is called the message digest, and the secure hash SH is called the secure hash algorithm. The initial length of the MD5 the 128 bits, and the secure hash algorithm is the 160 bits message digest. The speed is the MD5 is the fast and the SHA is the slow. But then in the case of security, the security is the SHA is high and the MD5 is less secure compared to SHA. MD5 is simple, where the SHA is the complex and the attacks. If we discuss about some attacks in the MD5, uh, there is some attacks in the MD5, but there is no attacks available in the SHA algorithms. So this is the simple basic difference between the MD5 and the SHA. So we have discussed in this lecture, we have discussed about the MD5 and the SHA algorithm. Both algorithm are the produce the hash function, and both are used in the uh, uh, create a digital signature. Thanks everyone.